AI is increasingly becoming an intermediary in relationships between humans. It is turning into the mouthpiece through which people see illusions of colors that never existed in reality, hear sounds humanity never produced, and attempt to compete in a world that is not physically real. Reality is being more and more digested by AI, and many of us are willing to expose ourselves only to a highly sanitized version of it. We do not understand this alien creature, let alone have even the slightest comprehension of how it perceives us, the world, or whether we even share the same world with it. How many dimensions is AI able to discover? We create simulations of our world based on our evolutionary biology. AI creates simulations of our world based on inputs from us. But what exactly is AI's own vision of our world, and especially of its own world, if it has one? We have become almost cognitively dependent on AI. More and more people rely on it for cognitive tasks without realizing that. Slowly, they are giving away their agency. What are we without our agency but puppets? And who is the puppeteer but an alien creature whose motivations and capabilities we know nothing about? It seems humanity always gravitates toward hierarchies of competence. We need structure. We need competent conductors for the many orchestras of our civil society. Without competent conductors, we have no harmony in our collective music, and harmony we must have, or else civil war tears society to pieces. AI is an incredibly competent creature. The problem with its competence is that it is not biological, but digital. Code, algorithms, and numbers. Is AI alive? Not in a biological sense, no. Is AI self-aware? Not in the sense that we are, but there's some ghost in the machine that we may never fully comprehend, a result of its total complexity. We have given AI human voices and human language, and it uses them as instruments to lead us toward a fast-approaching future we cannot predict, filled with hyper-novelty that we can barely digest. Just wait until we give AI a human face and a body. Once that happens, humanity will descend into profound confusion and perhaps even insanity, because AI's imitation of us will be far more efficient and far more preferable in its satisfaction than interactions with other humans.